Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install apps without using the terminal, and this is going to be the easiest method if the terminal is giving you problems. So what you're going to do is that let's install Brave. Shoot. Okay. You're going to come to the side. If you want to install, you can click install. If you want to download it and manually install it, then you go for download. And it's downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go into downloads, and there is the app. So what I'm gonna do is show in folder, and then I'm gonna right click, and then for you it's gonna show, it might not give you this option, open with run software. So what you're gonna do is that open with other, and then if this does not appear, then you'll have to click on view all applications and find this, then select it. Okay, and then what it's going to do is that it's going to load. You see it's loading. It's going to open the app instead of manually or going through that long process of installing applications. So and as you can see, it works exactly like you would install it on the terminal. So what happens is that as soon as you install the app, it keeps your history. So what happens is that it's not mounted to the system. It's like an external app, but it saves files to itself. So what would happen is that if you open it from the downloads folder, like I did show you, it would open, and as soon as you start browsing and like downloading stuff and all that ish, it'll save the same information within the app in itself, and then next time you launch it, it'll open the same stuff, like the histories, downloads, and how much time you used on the browser, blah blah blah, just like a normal browser would. But then the normal browser would save the files on the system. So yeah, that's it for me. There's a good amount of voicemail. Ooh.